In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a zip file game in laptop. If you've just downloaded a game and it came as a zip file, don't worry, this is a common way for files to be packaged and compressed to make downloads faster. The key is to extract the contents first, so everything runs smoothly. Start by opening the folder where your game was saved. For most people, that's the Downloads folder. But if you chose a different location when you downloaded it, go there instead. Take a moment to make sure you found the actual zip file. It usually has a zipper icon and ends with .zip. Next, right-click on that zip file. In the menu that appears, select Extract All or Extract to Folder. Both options do the same basic job. They take the files out of the zip and place them in a regular folder you can use. You will be asked to choose a location for the extracted files. You can keep the default suggestion or pick a spot that's easy to remember, like your desktop or documents, then confirm to start the extraction. Depending on the size of the game, this might take a little time, so let it finish. Once the extraction is complete, a new folder will appear, usually with the same name as the zip. Open that folder. Inside, look for an application file to launch the game or begin the setup. On Windows, this is an .exe file, and it may be named something like GameAim.exe or Setup.exe. If you don't see file extensions, that's fine. Look for the file that says Application in the type column or has the familiar app icon. Now double-click that file to install or start the game. Follow any on-screen prompts, such as choosing where to install and agreeing to terms. It's normal for Windows to ask for permission when running an installer. Just review the prompt and continue if it matches the game you downloaded. Let the process complete without interrupting it. A quick but important tip: don't try to run the game directly from inside the zip file. If you skip the extraction step, the game may fail to launch, miss important files, or perform poorly. Extracting ensures all the necessary folders and files are in the right place. That's all to it. Enjoy your game, and thanks for watching.